C1500. Running about 60 miles an hour. I just engaged the cruise, and the cruise works. Pretty much everything on this truck works. Nice driving truck. You can't hear any wind noise in it. Goes nice and straight down the road. Steering wheel's nice and straight. So this is kind of a good looking truck and good driving truck. So if you're just looking for a cool little short box, this one will definitely serve your purpose. I just sold another one of these that was an 88 and it was a nice little truck too, so they're pretty popular little pickups. Like I said, doesn't have any pull or any wander to it. The previous owner, a lot of new parts on it since 2015. 2015 he had a list, and there's a picture of that in my pictures, so included some steering and some AC and alternator and stuff. So it's a nice old truck. I got a great look with the 20-inch wheels, and actually rides good with them too. So we'll show you the brakes up here at the corner, and then if you got any questions, you can give me a call. 605-695-7391. Brakes work good, no pulsating, no pulling, so give me a call if you have any questions.